Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a big question. One that SCHD investors have been waiting for. Could SCHD actually hit new all-time highs in 2026? And trust me, the evidence we're about to break down is crazy. We're putting everything on the table. SCHD's dividend growth, the 2026 economic setup, interest rates, buyback, sector positioning, hidden catalysts most investors are ignoring, and whether SCHD is about to enter a new uptrend. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. This might be the most important SCHD analysis you'll see heading into 2026. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research or speak with a licensed financial professional before investing. SCHD's setup going into 2026. As we move into 2026, it's important to reflect on the reasons behind SCHD's underperformance from 2022 to 2024. Numerous factors contributed, including shifts in market dynamics and external economic pressures that impacted overall investor sentiment and stock performance. Moving into 2025, SCHD began rebuilding its momentum through strategic adjustments and enhanced focus on quality investments. As we look ahead, SCHD's commitment to dividend growth continues to offer reassurance as it outpaces inflation, while also adapting to the tightening screens that emphasize earnings strength, resulting in improved fundamentals amidst surrounding macro noise. The dividend growth engine. The dividend growth engine is powered by an impressive 10-year dividend growth record of SCHD, demonstrating consistency. This strong performance not only fuels investor confidence but also correlates directly with price appreciation. As free cash flow payout ratios improve, investors can anticipate healthier returns, setting the stage for promising opportunities in the coming years. Healthy balance sheets among top holdings position the dividend growth engine for sustained success and stability. As we look ahead, the year 2026 is projected to emerge as a landmark year for dividends, potentially yielding remarkable annual payouts. This optimism hinges on a multitude of factors, including robust corporate earnings and disciplined capital allocation, ensuring a rewarding journey for investors. SCHD Top Holdings Deep Dive. SCHD Top Holdings Deep Dive provides an in-depth analysis of 10 influential companies. Each breakdown will cover crucial aspects such as current performance projections for 2025, anticipated catalysts for 2026, the strength of their dividends, potential for buybacks, and the specific advantages they bring to SCHD, along with associated risks. Broadcom analysis will begin by examining its projected performance for 2025, where we will look closely at revenue growth drivers and market positioning. Understanding these 10 companies equips investors with valuable insights, guiding them towards informed decisions and highlighting SCHD's strategic advantages in a complex market landscape. As we navigate through these analyses, the interplay of growth, dividends, and risks will crystallize the path forward for SCHD investors. As we look ahead to 2026, several macroeconomic factors are aligning, including anticipated rate cuts, which have historically played a significant role in bolstering dividend ETFs. This environment, coupled with a projected recovery in corporate earnings and stabilization in consumer spending, paints a promising picture for investors seeking robust performance. The normalization of supply chains will further enhance these trends. The anticipated manufacturing rebound and the performance of overweight sectors like SCHD suggest a transformative shift, where high-quality value stocks may finally rise above tech dominance, offering a renewed hope for investment strategies moving forward into 2026. SCHD's valuation case, undervalued or fair? In our examination of SCHD's valuation, we first assess its price-to-earnings ratio in relation to the S&P 500, revealing key insights about market expectations. Next, we analyze the price-to-cash flow measure, providing a deeper understanding of the stock's financial health and performance. Additionally, we will evaluate the dividend yield of SCHD relative to the 10-year Treasury, highlighting its attractiveness. Ultimately, our findings indicate that SCHD presents a compelling investment opportunity, as it appears undervalued in light of its anticipated dividend growth and historical comparisons. We conclude that this assessment makes SCHD a noteworthy choice for income-focused investors seeking reliable returns. Can SCHD actually hit new highs in 2026? In evaluating SCHD's potential to achieve new highs by 2026, we must carefully weigh both its robust bull case, which includes factors like higher dividends and strong consumer spending, against the bear case's darker predictions of sticky inflation and potential dividend cuts. Observing historical patterns can offer insights into recovery times following downturns, emphasizing the need for a pragmatic outlook in an unpredictable market. To further strengthen the argument for SCHD's potential growth, one must consider the possible narrowing of the underperformance gap between value and growth stocks, signaling a possible resurgence for value-oriented investments. While optimism regarding SCHD's future is warranted by several favorable factors, the looming bear case elements remind us to stay vigilant and prepared for potential challenges ahead. Balancing these insights will be crucial as we navigate the evolving market landscape. In analyzing the SCHD price scenarios for 2026, we explore three distinct models that outline possible market trajectories. The first, a conservative case, anticipates slow growth coupled with limited rate cuts, suggesting a modest upward trend in prices that will require patience from investors. Transitioning to the base case, we expect steady dividend growth alongside mild rate cuts, projecting the potential for new highs by late 2026. The bull case scenario shines brightly, forecasting that stronger than expected earnings combined with a value rotation could lead to new market highs by mid-2026, showcasing significant upside potential for investors willing to embrace calculated risks. Who should consider SCHD in 2026? With stability in mind, it's crucial for retirees seeking consistent income to consider SCHD for their portfolios. The fund's emphasis on high-quality, dividend-paying stocks means it can provide a reliable income stream, even during market fluctuations. Moreover, growth and income hybrid investors looking to balance their strategies will find SCHD appealing, as it offers opportunities for both capital appreciation and steady dividend returns. Long-term dividend investors may also find SCHD to be a valuable addition to their strategies. SCHD serves as a robust choice for a diverse array of investors, especially those focused on income stability and prudence in their assets. By continually providing value and adaptability, it solidifies its place as a fundamental component of any thoughtfully constructed investment portfolio. So, could SCHD hit new highs in 2026? Based on everything we broke down, dividends, fundamentals, interest rates, sector strength, and historical patterns, the evidence is honestly crazy strong. SCHD looks like it's on the edge of a major multi-year recovery. Whether it hits new highs early or late in 2026, the long-term picture has never looked more compelling. If you're investing for income, stability, and dividend growth, SCHD remains one of the most powerful ETFs in the entire market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and leave a comment saying SCHD 2026 to join our community. And share. Thank you for watching. Your support helps us grow, so please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Let's continue this journey together. Remember, every interaction counts. See you in the next video.